So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zero out my digital protractor right there. Now I'm going to set the blade angle at 20 degrees to start off with and see how that looks. And I'm going to use my 3M Trizact belts, but before I do that, and this is a worn out 200 grit, I'm going to start out with the felt belt just to see if I've got the edge angle right. So you see the black fully across the blade. You can see that is a 20-degree bevel on each side of this knife. So we're going to sharpen it and see how it looks to start off with. Let's do the 200 to start. Don't get aggressive. That looks real good. Can you see the burr? A burr immediately came up on the other side. That tip is a little rough, but we're going to fix it. Take your time. The Trizact belts are fantastic because they don't heat the blade up so fast as a cheap belt. There's virtually no heat on that blade whatsoever. Looking good. There's still a couple of little pits in that blade right there, little jagged. Still a couple on that tip. And I don't have a burr all the way across the blade. Now I do. Still a little tiny. Pit in that blade, right at the tip. I think it's gone now. It is. It is gone. Okay, so I'm going to go from 200 to 600 grit. Well, I don't know where my 1200 grit went. There it is. There's my 1200. So 1200 grit. Little felt belt, just to get the burr off. I don't put compound on the felt belt. You can. And finally, leather strop. And I do put compound, little white compound on the felt belt. Looks good. Ooh, very sharp.